Hello guys, this is Sabir Ahmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing how to use pad command. Now I am choosing a surface using point and clicking OK. Again I am going to axis, giving center, and then going to click OK. Now go to the sketch. Now go to the sketch and give the XY plane as a 2D sketch. Now I am going to create a rectangular part in 2D diagram. I am taking a rectangular of center. Now go to the constraint. Now I am giving the dimensions as 100 of vertical direction, and again I am giving the dimensions of 100. Now it is constraint. The green color indicate constraint. Now exit this workbench, and this is a pad command. Now I'm giving. Now you can see this pad definition here. There is first limit and second limit. First limit you can give a thickness on bottom, and second limit you can give a thickness in top, and then pivot or directly click OK. Now you can see a 3D model of a rectangular part. Now to edit the pad, go to the part body, click on the pad object, and then go to the definition. Now you can edit it, and all if you want the thickness of the body you can choose the thickness. Now I will show in another sketch. Now if you want any mirror where you can create an object from center, you can create a mirror and give it the thickness of one side. Now it is created. This is center. You can see axis of center. Now by using axis and creating one, select the face and go to the sketch part, and I am giving the circle at the center. To get constrain this, I am giving the dimensions of 25 mm diameter. Now exit workbench and give the pad. Now go to the thickness. Now you can see here thickness 1 and thickness 2. I am giving 5 mm as thickness 1 and thickness 2 as 5 mm. Now you can use neutral fiber also. Now click OK. Now you can see this is a thickness of body. Now I am selecting this center. Before I had given this as a mirror pad, and I am going to exit this in 2D. Now I am giving one line as axis. Now I am selecting this plane, front plane, from center, and again I am going to sketch. Now I am giving the line to create a model of 3D part. Now for exit, I am exiting workbench, and again I am selecting this axis to create a circle. Now go to sketch. Now I am creating this circle. To constrain this, I am giving the dimensions of again 25 mm. Now I am exiting workbench. Now you can give the command pad without thickness. Now here what I am doing is I am removing this normal and giving this axis. Now you can see this is created 3D body. See, this is a pad command you can use in every sketch, and this is important in Catia V5. Thank you for watching.